As the girl wandered through the dense forest, she heard a faint chirping. Curious, she followed the sound until she stumbled upon a wounded bird lying on the ground. Its delicate feathers were ruffled, and its eyes were filled with fear. The girl knelt down, gently cradling the bird in her hands. With care and patience, she nursed the bird back to health, feeding it and keeping it warm. Slowly, the bird regained its strength, and with a flutter of its wings, it soared into the sky. The girl watched in awe, knowing she had made a difference in the life of the beautiful creature.